So that means our spoofing is success, guys.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed.
Hello, welcome to Rifki the Cyber. Welcome to the part 2 of the GPS spoofing troubleshooting. Just see the part 1 of my video when I already prepared the setup, etc. But I failed in my first attempts. So, let's see guys, let's troubleshoot together until success. Thank you very much for the one who already put the comment in my video before. Okay, let's try guys. Okay guys, it's failed even until the simulation is done. I'm suspect one of the issue is, one of the cause is this one is maybe my antenna. Because this is the antenna, this is running in the frequency is around 1540 something, right? 1540 something. But my antenna, I just wear, this is in the frequency 800 until 900 somethings, and then 1700 to the 2600 something. That means the range is not meet with the 1500. So what I'm gonna do, for the second attempt, I will try to using my another different antenna. So I'm going to replace the antenna now. So what I'm going to do, I'm already check this antenna, Omni antenna is already meet with the frequency itself. So I'm going to use this. So I already replaced the antenna, supposedly is meet with the range of that frequency of the GPS. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to test with this antenna towards of this Android, my device Android. Now I'm going to transmit again. Okay, transmission is running. Okay, we're going to check this one. Okay, so far there is no fix in this case. Okay, we just going to wait. So still no latitude longitude here, guys. Okay, we just wait until this is finished. Okay, guys, we are waiting until finished, but still this is showing still no latitude longitude in this case. So what next, guys? Hello, guys. It's turned out I'm fail again. I think because the logic of the GPS antenna that they retain the catch clock or the catch time and compare it with the ephemeris file, and somehow the gap is too long. I don't want to take that risk anymore. So the next thing that I'm gonna do is I don't want to use the mobile phone. At least we get it simply the concept or basic concept of the spoofing directly to the GPS itself. So I'm going to use the GPS antenna. It will be looks like this. And I'm going to put it underneath of my table right now. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to plug first the HackRF itself. I'm going to run this one. And right now I'm going to start to transmit this one. Transfer from the HackRF again. And let's see what will be the behavior directly from the GPS antenna itself. So I'm going to start this to transmit. Wait, let me check if the devices is already plugged here. Is already recognized with this one. Wait, okay, I'm going to choose the Grid Scott gadget here. Now I'm going to plug my GPS antenna here. And transmit already start. Okay, that's great. We can get the screen from this one. The command is using the screen command like this. Okay, let's see guys. Hopefully this work. Let's see. Sometimes it takes sometimes with this case. Okay guys, it's work right now. It's success. So we can see from here the longitude already reflected here, guys. But if you copy this and just copy it in the Google Map like this, and then it's turned out the location here exactly when we program this file, it is actually 50-40, something like that. But okay, more or less is already near in this case, right? 50-40 is like this. So that means our spoofing is success, guys. So this is still running continuously. That's great, guys. So success. Guys, but if you have experiment somehow it's not really, you don't feel this is not really optimum to be used in your HackRF1, my suggestion is you need to go to this GitHub, of course, the same GitHub that I'm showing to you. But you go to this issue, troubleshooting tutorial for GPS SDRC with the HackRF1, special for the HackRF1. I recommend you to replace the TCXO in this case, because this is a better clock to be put inside of the HackRF in this case. You can check with the TCXO clock from the Noelec or from other brands in this case. I suggest you to go to this issue and read it thoroughly what happened and how to troubleshoot as well for this case. In mine, I'm not using Android. I'm using directly with the GPS antenna itself. Okay guys, after the several attempts, we are done with the GPS spoofing using the radio frequency. So feel free to use it to simulate it on your own labs for your own experiment. For example, you want to simulate some particular region or locations. You don't need to move it to there, guys. You just need to simulate directly, make your place based on the latitude, longitude itself. The same message like my other previous video. Keep learning and stay humble.